Freezing a row in Excel refers to the action of keeping a specific row visible at all times while scrolling through a worksheet. It is used to ensure important information, such as headers, remains visible for reference, even when working with large datasets. Today, I will show you how to freeze a row in Excel to make a header. So, without any delay, let's start. First of all, navigate to the worksheet where you want to freeze a row. Then, select the row below the row you want to freeze. For example, if you want to freeze row 1, select row 2. After that, click on the View tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. In the Window group, locate the Freeze Panes option. Then, click on the small arrow below the Freeze Panes button. This will open a drop-down menu with 3 options. From the drop-down menu, select Freeze Panes. This will freeze the row above the selected row, so all the rows above will remain visible as you scroll. You will notice a thin line appearing below the frozen row, indicating that the row is frozen. Now all done. You can now scroll through your worksheet, and the frozen row will remain at the top, visible at all times.